everybody, welcome back. 9:24. We're joined now by Carl Nelson from the Imagination Station, and this morning is a Halloween favorite.
Yeah, I think people are thinking about Halloween, and one of the things that comes up all the time is dry ice. How do you get that spooky fog sort of effect if you're having a party or something like that? And one way to do it is dry ice. Okay?
I love dry ice.
Before we start working with this stuff, you should put your safety glasses on and your gloves on.
Safety first, right?
Dry ice is 109 degrees below zero, so if you were to touch it with your bare hands, you'd get frostbite.
Okay.
So that'd be a bad thing.
All right.
And we're going to smash some up, too, so we don't want any going into your eyes as well. Now, dry ice is solid carbon dioxide, okay? What's cool about it from a science perspective is, go ahead and pick up a punk here.
Okay.
Hold on to that. Is that it's constantly changing from a solid into a gas. It always skips the liquid phase, like regular ice, which gets wet. That's why they call it dry ice. Now, coming off of this is carbon dioxide gas, which is invisible. You can't see it, right? But we can do something to make it visible. Go ahead and put that down here. We're gonna smash it. Get some small hunks for you.
All right.
Go ahead and drop some into your vase over there.
Okay, just like this?
The whole thing, yeah, just dump it right in.
Ooh.
All right, so you can see the bubbles coming off are carbon dioxide gas, and when that cold air comes up and hits the moisture above the top of the water, you get that really nice fog effect. And since carbon dioxide is heavier than air, it falls over the edge.
Okay, so Halloween displays and all this, yeah, this is what we see, okay.
And what is nice about your vase right there is that it's tall. So if you have little ones in the house, it's really hard for them to get their hand down to touch it, because it's very tempting to touch the dry ice. Now, another fun thing, you see these cauldrons around at Halloween time, right? And one of the neat things you can do with it is take our container, which is now bubbling and giving off carbon dioxide gas, stick it right down inside. In fact, since you have your gloves on, can you throw another couple hunks in there? We want a lot of gas to be coming off. Grab another one. Perfect. So not only does this kind of look spooky, it is giving off lots of gas. If you take a little rag with some soap on it, I'm just going to drag it across the top of our cauldron. And it takes a few tries. And what we should get is a nice film of soap across the top.
Oh, okay. And this is just dish soap?
Just dish soap in water. But what's really neat is you get all that steam and that fog inside. It looks really sort of spooky. And now the cool thing you can do is get your hand wet with some soapy water. Take your gloves off. Okay. That'll ruin it. Go ahead and hold on to that as well. Okay.
Put my hand in here?
Put your hand in and get it completely wet.
All right.
We're trying to make that bubble again, and bubbles don't like dry skin because they pop.
All right.
So a cool thing you can do is get your hand wet, and now you should be able to gently stick your fingers right through that bubble without popping it. Do it gently.
Oh, that was cool. That was neat. It went through first.
And when it pops, you get that nice little cascade of fog that falls over the edge. So something really easy you can do at home, really quick, dry ice, be careful with it.
Cool. All right, Carl, and I understand that you have a neat exhibit downtown right now, so tell us a little bit about that.
We do. We have a Hubble Space Telescope. It's all about imagery from the Hubble Space Telescope. Okay.
And you have the movie Making Magic as well, October 19th through the 23rd. So there's some great things to check out.
Absolutely.
And we are all ready for Halloween. So thanks, Carl. All right, now if you're just joining us here, let's check in with Dave.
At 9:27, these are your top stories. Police are searching for the